Today I'm going to show you how to search X, formerly Twitter, without an account, using a super simple Google search trick that works in just a few seconds. This is perfect if you want to find public tweets, posts, or discussions on a topic without signing in, and it's especially useful if you just want to browse quickly without creating an account. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top. Now here's the key part. Type site twitter.com followed by the keyword you want to search. For example, if you want to search for Elon Musk tweets, you could type site twitter.com Elon Musk. If you want to search for news about AI, you could type site twitter.com AI news. If you want to find posts about a specific brand, topic, or person, just replace the keyword with whatever you're looking for. After you type your search, press enter or tap search. Google will then show results from Twitter, which is now X, and you'll be able to see public posts related to your search term. This is a very easy way to search content without logging into an X account. If you don't see the exact results you want, try using different keywords or make the phrase more specific. For example, instead of just typing a single word, try a full topic or name. You can also add quotation marks around a phrase if you want a more exact match. Keep in mind that this method works best for public posts that can be indexed by search engines. Private or restricted content will not appear, and some newer posts may take time to show up. But for quick searches, trending topics, and public discussions, this is one of the fastest ways to browse X without an account. And that's really all there is to it. Just use the site, twitter.com, search format in your browser, add your keyword, and you're ready to start searching public tweets without signing in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.